A very quick video today. I'm making some pasties, and I just wanted to show you how I use puff pastry to make them without wasting any of it. So I'm just kind of making triangle pasties. The mix I've made in the Thermomix, so it's 250 grams of mince, a carrot, half a turnip because they're enormous, potato, carrot, onion, lots of pepper, and meat stock paste. And I've just blitzed all the veggies about, I don't know, speed 5 to 6 for about 6 seconds. And then I mix in with the meat, and I actually taste it because it's got to, I just touch my tongue to it because it's got to be quite salty to really, and peppery to really taste like bought pasties. So what I do, you can see I've got a little bit of pastry here. I basically fold my pastry in half. Now I fold it in half again, and that's just to give me the markings. And then I take my trusty, beautiful sharp knife and cut lightly on those markings. Brush with beaten egg. Brush the whole thing with beaten egg. This pastry is a little bit soft today because my kitchen is very warm. I have lots of windows, and all the heat is coming through because they face northeast. North? Yeah, that way. Okay, so brushed with egg white. Then I take one of the triangles, actually I'll do this one that I'm part way through, add the mince, and I generally put too much mince in, because I like that lovely, lots and lots of filling, and I actually shape it to the triangle of the square that I've got here, so it's on the diagonal, and then I'll put a little bit more in the middle. I usually use frozen peas too, but I find that they pop out when I'm trying to fold over the pastry. So grab the corner, bring it over, and simply, whoops, falling out, because it's so soft, simply press the edges together as best you can. And I quite often like to use a fork to get some shape, so I'll just grab a fork on the edges. So you can press down with a fork to get a bit of a pattern. Okay, and I tend to fold the corners over because they will burn because they're just pastry, they've got no filling. And then to get your little holes, just a very sharp knife, pop like that, brush again with egg white, pop it on your tray, and away you go. Bake it in the oven, very hot oven, for the pastry to puff initially, and then turn it down. And you've got really delicious pasties, and I'll have a photo up after they've been baked. If you want the recipe, it's on my blog, so just go to bushgourmand.com.au, and I think it's called Megan's Perfect Pasties. I'll be actually updating it today to make it a little bit easier to print off. So maybe check later on today on that one. Alright, so any questions, comments, pop them below. Handy. I'm happy to help.